So I'm going to take this container from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 2 of these. Then I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to take up a lighter and then a little knife just to cut it through it. Here you could just cut it, heat up in the stove with a fork and then just cut it through. It should be easily, or they have something that you could take out plastic. I didn't have anything, so I just cut it like that. I didn't want to cut the whole thing, so I just cut a few pieces just so I could put the stuff inside. So if you wanted, you could take the whole thing, but I didn't want to do that because I'm going to do a few DIYs. So then I'm going to ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it and attach it together like that. Then after I attach them together like that, I'm going to put some rocks just for weight so it won't be a slide. So just go ahead and fill it up with a few. Do it before you attach them together, then spray paint it in white. Then I took this little string. I'm going to place this all the way around the bowl like that, so in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my flower inside like that. Just go ahead in the little hole, put it inside, and it should be easily to attach it into place. Then I put a few things just to decorate it, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. I hope you guys like it, and the good thing that you could do different colors, and I think it will look great as well, and it's not that expensive as well. Now for the next idea, I did a little bit something a little bit different, almost similar to this, but then I took one of these little circle wood they have in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut this part out, and then I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it to the middle just like that. Then I'm gonna take a few little branches, like little white branches, and place it all the way around it like that. And I'm also gonna place my flower inside. So just go ahead and use your hot glue to attach your flower all the way around like that. And then I'm gonna use some flour to place it on the top as well. Take your glass, put some hot glue, and attach it to the top, and then just continue attaching the flower like that all the way around as well. Then once you do that, just put some rocks inside just to give some height to the candle, and then place your candle inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Something so cute, and I did it with the different colors of the flowers so you guys can see how it could turn out even though you put different colors of the flowers. And then let me show you, I just did a little bit setup for the table so you guys can see that if you set it up on a nice table, it will also look great as well with a few candles on the side. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab the same bowl. I'm gonna put it upside down, put some hot glue all the way around, and place the other one on top and attach it into place just like that. And then I'm gonna take the same ribbons and I'm going to attach it from the top, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle, and then I'm going to attach it to the bottom. So I'm just going to make it like a little line like that, and I'm going to continue doing that until I attach all the way around the whole thing. Once I do that, I'm going to take some floral foam, put some hot glue on top, make sure you place enough, and then attach it to the container inside. Then after that, just go ahead and grab your few little greenery branches, and I'm going to place all the way around it. And then you're going to take your flower and place it inside, whatever color you're doing. I'm doing white and red, but you could do different colors. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. For the next idea, I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of this clear base, and I'm going to spray paint it in white, put some hot glue on the top, and you're going to attach the bouquet on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple and easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them.